In this tutorial, we're going to cover the Cartogram tool. Now, you can access the Cartogram tool in several ways. You could click on the Cartogram station within the world to open up the tool. And you'll notice here it says drop item here to open. So if I open my inventory and drag over this map that I have, that will actually open it within the Cartogram tool. Now, alternatively, if I just click the map in my inventory, you'll notice there's a button down here that says Examine. And if I click on that, that will also open my map up within the Cartogram tool. Now once you're in here, you have a series of subtools on this left-hand bar here. The first one is the Draw tool. So if I select that, and I use this by clicking on the map to create a point, and then when I move my mouse away from that point, I can actually click again to create a line segment. And if I continue doing this, I will eventually create a shape. Now if you make mistakes while you're drawing on your map, you can use the next tool, the Erase tool, and if you just click on these points, it will actually erase those from your map. You have a Move tool. If I select that, click on a shape and drag, I can move it around. There's a Rotate tool. Again, if I click and drag, I can rotate these shapes around. And you also have a Ruler tool to measure the sides of your shapes. So if I just click on the edges here, it will give me their length. There's also a alternative to creating rectangles on the Map tool. If you use this Make button down here, so if you click on that, this dialog opens up and it gives you this option to set the length and the width of a rectangle. So let's say I set the length to 7 and the width to 3, and then I click Make Rectangle, and that actually places, I'll use my Move tool to move it out of here, that actually creates a rectangle 7 by 3 for me and places it on my map. There's also this tool down here in the bottom left, the Pan tool, and if I click on that, and if I click anywhere on this area within the map and then I drag, you'll notice that there's more to the map than I can see on the screen at once. So I need to use this Pan tool in order to maneuver around so that I can see all of my shapes. Now once you're done, you'll want to remember to set the scale of the tombs, the map tombs to the world tombs for whichever quest you're on. And then once you've done that, you click Save and Close, and that will save the map to your inventory, and you can click on it again, and I click this Examine button to open it up and begin where you left off. Now if you need to start over completely, there's also a Reset button down here. If you click that, that will actually clear everything on the map, and then you can start over from scratch.